How long now since you sell cane?
From 1981, man.
So that make it the oldest cane
Cane,
vendor
man, in a Jamaica.
well,
In a Jamaica, original. If you have one more way older than me, man, in the original.
Welcome to this channel, guys. It's a pleasure to have you back. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and also leaving a sweet comment. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I want you guys to meet one of the Jamaican cane man who is the oldest and the most skilled, known as Mikey.
Right? Original cane, sugar, and nothing but sugar. That's what them things that we deal with.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Michael, aka Mikey, the sugarcane man, selling in one of the Kingston, Jamaica streets. Very skilled. This video was taken by Savlan TV, and he is explaining some of his tricks to Savlan TV. He's really skilled. You might think he has been trained in some martial arts with this unique machete. You can see how he's holding the cane in the air. This is interesting. Yes, he's now demonstrating one of his signature styles of peeling the sugarcane.
Now give me first straight style, right? No cane man, never do it. That one I'm hardly do it, because it may look easy, but it's tough. See that? That's the way that we do it. We do it for some people, we don't do it for some people. Why? Some people don't believe say happen. Some people believe say happen. So you see all who believe say real, I hate we do. Who don't believe say real, I see they don't believe say God real. So guess I know. It don't really matter them, don't just do with it. That one style when you're straight. See it straight. Can't afford for them a little cup, so we tap me straight. I do stop it. And make them tap look funny. And drive. And time I do straight, they give them trouble. Gear spanny, woof in that one and that one back. You hear what I'm saying? Here man Mikey, you make that happen, you know. Original Michael, like you make it happen. Some people say Michael, some people say Mikey. My original name is Michael, you know. But when I say Mikey, I see.
How long now since you sell cane?
From 1981, man.
So that make it the oldest cane vendor.
Man, in a Jamaica.
Well,
in a Jamaica, original. If you have one more way older than me, man, in the original. So you see, me original, they all fall off for me. And after them own way, but they don't do what I do. Because they do what I do, some of them don't have water, they don't have rock. All of those things. You know, right now Corona go on, they don't have a spray. And them have to have all of that.
Yes, so Mikey well equipped.
Mikey have everything to deal with the people. Because people love when you have to deal with them good. People love when you're nice. And when you're nice, people got enjoy. When you're not nice, they might tell a friend so they can't enjoy it. As a matter of fact, sometimes they don't tell you, they just tell a friend. Now go back there. You don't enjoy it. So when we do now, best of the best. Quality me say.
So Mikey has been in this business for like 4 decades. That is around 45 years, because he started this business in 1982. And he has been able to buy several parcels of land, educate his children, and also meet some of his daily needs from cane selling. In the interview done by one of the YouTubers in Jamaica, he says that apart from cane farming, he also does other businesses. Like he also engages in farming activities, he plants canes, and also he's in the delivery business. And this is a guy who loves Jamaica, because in the interview, I looked that he went to, at one point he traveled to Canada, but because of the love of Jamaica, he had to come back to Jamaica. Wherever you are, guys, whether you are a Jamaican, you are a member of Caribbean, you are African, or from whichever other race, cane is a very important food. I can put it that way, because with the refined sugars they have a lot of health impacts, and there are some diseases like cancer, diabetes that are not good with sugar, even high blood pressure, etc. These are some of the foods that do a lot of harm to the body. But when you take cane in its raw form and refined, whether you are chewing it or maybe you are using cold processing, because I've seen in different parts of Africa and also in the Caribbean, there are some people using the cold processing machine, or rather the machine that presses the cane and then it gives out the natural juice. It's better to take it that way. And if you're fond of taking like tea or these other beverages, it's good to take beverages that have less sugar or have no sugar at all. With the cane sugar that has been processed, or whether you are chewing it, it's good because it has some of the roughage and also the vitamins, etc. In their natural form without any additive, etc. And some people use the cane juice combined with things like ginger. These are beneficial in health-wise. They can help you in different aspects of your body. From the video, I've learned that it's good to diversify your businesses. So, like this cane guy, Mikey, you can see he has been in the business for like 40 years, but he is diversifying. He has diversified his business. Whatever you do, even if there's something that you're doing is flourishing, it's good to invest in also other things. For his case, you can see he is selling cane and he has been able to educate his children through this business, but he is also farming the cane themselves and also engaging in delivery business. So this goes out to all people, Jamaicans, Africans, and whomever is or whichever person is watching this video. You need to diversify your business or your portfolio. If maybe you are a teacher, you can go invest in other things like in farming, and also you can put your money in some of the investments funds like money market funds, and don't just depend on one thing. If you are in real estate, you can do something else. Like we YouTubers, we should not only depend on YouTube. You can also do other things apart from this, like setting up a farm, or maybe use your talent in a different way. Maybe if you are talented in music, you can combine these two things, or etc. Also, another lesson that has been learned from Mikey is, the resilience of Jamaicans. Even if your business is not doing good, or maybe your business is seen as not that big enough, to your eyes, you have to look it as a very business, a very good business that is full of potential and can really grow. You can see Mikey is saying that even if there are other people who have been cutting the canes, or the cane persons, he believes in himself. He says that he is the best, and what the others are doing cannot be compared to what he's doing. So this is the kind of mindset that we should have. Whatever that you do, you should believe that you are the best. Even while I do my videos like this, there are some people who come about with some negative comments, and you'll find that they're even Jamaicans. They say that, hey, you African boy, stop talking about the Caribbean, or and concentrate on your stuffs in Africa. But at times I just assume them, because it's good to talk about the positives, because if everyone will go on the internet and talk about the negatives, etc., it will be bad. And if you mind such kind of people, they will really be discouraged. I've learned that in some businesses you have to develop the kind of mentality, especially when you are online like this. You have to develop the kind of mentality that whatever some of these people post here should not get into your head, or rather should not you should not be emotional about some of these comments. The Jamaicans are resilient people, and I like that. That's one thing I like about this guy, Mikey. You can see the way he's promoting his business, and some of the skills like the holding of the cane while it's on the air. Very few people can do that, and then he's just coming up with his kind of words on how he's cutting his canes. Like he's saying that he's straight. This is straight. Something of the sort. You can see. So this has been the video for today. This is also a form of a video to urge you guys to live a healthy lifestyle apart from investing in different portfolios. Always believing in your business. You should also try your best to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are used to a lot of sugar, reduce the intake to reduce the sugar intake that you're taking. If you're taking 2 teaspoons of sugar, reduce it to 1. If you're taking 5, reduce it to 2. Or you can use alternatives like honey. They are very good. Your health is your wealth. If you become sick at this point, your health is your wealth. And this is what some of these big companies producing some of these medicines for some of the diseases like cancer don't want you to know, because some of the products that is consumed are the ones that lead to some of these diseases, and they have now become rampant even here in Africa. People you find are forgetting their roots. They are, instead of eating naturally food, organic, people have gone into more processed foods, which is not good. Even if you are abroad, you are living a foreign and you are from Jamaica, never forget your roots. You should always come back or communicate with your brothers and sisters, and they can even be sending you some of the foods, the natural organic foods. And I saw somewhere, some of these GMOs that are coming, they're also coming up with ways of doing away with the natural seeds that used to be there in the past. So you should take care of our health. Our health is your wealth. So cheers, guys. This has been the video for today. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. See you next time. God bless.